welcome back to another video, and today we're going to see how my dog reacts to a remote control car. That's her right there.
Over here, Chili.
She's really protective of her backyard, so
She's very.
I don't know how it will react. We might chase it. I don't think it will happen, but we don't know.
Let's get right into it, guys.
This is the toy car around here.
So over here is our toy car. That was not our toy car. But here it is here.
Yeah,
Here's
it's
our toy
pretty
car.
sick.
And then we have the remote right there.
And
And a tennis ball that the dog has completely destroyed. Look at that.
so
We need to get the dog down here. Chili! Chili! Tennis ball! Tennis ball! She's gonna chase the tennis ball. Wait, where's another one? Where's another one? Here's another tennis ball. Okay, tennis ball. Okay, Chili. Right, see the toy car? How's she reacting? Chase her! She's just like, she's running away. Dom, she's going to a hiding spot. She's going to a hiding spot, Dom.
Okay, so
Wait. Do you think we can?
so that was take one.
So this is the camera on the car, guys. Okay, guys.
So take two.
Take two. Let's see what she does.
Chili,
Let's see where she's going.
what if we put a tennis ball on the car?
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Oh, what would she do? Would she run away? How are we gonna
No, she'd
get
chase
this
it.
one?
She'd
How are
really
we
chase
gonna
it.
get this?
Chili, tennis ball.
Yeah, it doesn't.
No. Oh, we need to get her to just fetch it first. Chili, tennis ball. Ready? Watch this, guys. This is crazy. Hey, Chili, there's a car on your turf. There's a car on your turf. No, the car's just like, get back here, dog. Oh, she's running away. She's scared. Come on, car. Come on. Just drive it. Quick.
Chili,
Alright, and guys, also in this video, I want you to reach 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 likes, guys. If we can do that, we will do some main videos and some way more vlogs on my friend's dog. This is going to be the best. So, let's continue. Okay, wait, John, stop the car. Let's cam on the car. Go a bit, slowly. So it doesn't really fit on. But here's the dog, just, chilling, just not really caring. What if I kick this rugby ball?
guys, you can get them.
She moved.
I know I said this before, but you can get them
At a hobby store?
At a hobby shop.
Look,
They're really good, really easy to control. The battery lasts for 30 minutes.
if some cars, they last a lot more too. Depends what type of car you get. There's a lot of cars.
It's pretty zippy, top speed 42 minutes.
Yeah, and
Really good. So guys, bye.
guys, we're going to do our last test, if we can find the dog. Now, here she is. Now, on our last test. Alright, stop the car, stop. Okay, stop the car. Alright, 3. What are you doing? The pool cake. Okay, now go into the... No, now get the dog to come out. Alright, now chase the dog. Quick. Get the dog. Alright, as you can see, she's just gone to a little hole. This is her Star Wars base. Dun.
What's she trying to do?
Dun. She's escaped. She's running away, boys.
Okay, so she's
Look at her bolsa. Look at that bolsa. Look at the car. It's gonna blow the motor down. Don't do that. That will blow the motor. You poo. Oh, there we go. It's fixed. Okay, guys.
Oh, did you see that? You should have seen it.
It'll blow the motor down.
Oh!
It'll blow the motor.
That was so
But look at all that dust there, guys. Look at all the dust. Whoa. Okay, so obviously the dog is all the way over there, out in the open, just sabotaging us. Alright, now,
she's not going to go and face.
okay, guys, we will see you soon. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you know when my video comes out. And we will see you next time. Goodbye.